Alright, so this is just in case we don't get through the review in class. I thought I would make a video in case you need to watch anything. So here we go. List all the factors of 80. Alright, 1 and 80, 2 and 40, 4 and 20, 5 and 16. Oh, I'm gonna run out of room. 8 and 10. And I believe that's all of them. Okay, list the first 4 non-zero multiples of 14. 14, 28, what will be next? 14, 28, 42, 14, 6, 56. Right, the prime factorization of 90 using exponents. Maybe I'll do that on the side here. That'd be 2 and 45, 5 and 9. So 2 times 3 to the second times 5. Okay. Blank is a factor of every number. 1. Fill in the blank to make the number divisible by the number in parentheses, the 9. So remember the rule for 9 is if you add up the digits and that number is divisible by 9. So what do we got? 6, 10, 19. What do we have to go to get to 9? That would be 27, I guess. So we're at 19. So we need an 8. So that's 10, 21, 23, 27. Yeah, that works. Complete the rule. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Name 4 factors of 7xy. 7's a factor, x is a factor, y is a factor, and 1 is a factor. 1 to any power is 1. Anything to the, n to the first power is n. Okay, no parentheses, so this means negative 2 times 2. Yes parentheses, so this means negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. All right, move this up here. Which pair of numbers have a GCF of 8? Well, the 4 is too small. That doesn't have a factor of 8. 16 and 24, that's possible. 24 and 36 is 12, so that's bigger than 8. And it can't be this. This is smaller than 8, so B. Which number is a multiple and a factor of 32? Hopefully we learned from before. It's just that exact number. Which number is divisible by 8 and 9? Do you remember the rule for 8? That's if it's divisible, the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. So 724, nope, because that's gonna leave. 848, yeah. 96, yeah, no. Oh wait, 729, no. And then 9 is if you add up the digits and it's divisible by 9, so 9, 13, 21, no, it better be this one. 12, 18, yep. Which pair of numbers are relatively prime? That means the GCF equals 1. Well, this has a GCF of 3. This has a GCF of 9. Ooh, maybe this one. A 3 could go into both of these, so it can't be 1 there. It's got to be D. Put the correct answer on the blank space provided. Find the GCF of 1, okay. So 124 x to the 4th y cubed and 132 x cubed y. All right, divide this by 2, you're down to 62. 31. Let's see if that's right. 4 times 30, yeah, that's right. Okay, 132 divide by 2, and you're down to 66. Divide that by 2, you're down to 33, which you can break up into 3 and 11. So circle, circle. Looks, oh, and we forgot the letters. X, 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 Y, 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 X, 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 Y. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so it looks like 4x to the 1, 2, 3, Y. Find the LCM of, okay, so 48x to the 5th, y to the 3rd, z, and 64 x to the 4th, yz. Okay. 48 divided by 2, you're down to 24. 2, you're down to 12. 2, you're down to 6. 6 is 2 times 3. You got 5 x's, 3 y's, and a z. Okay, 64 divided by 2, you're down to 32. By 2, 16. 8. 4 is 2 times 2. 4 x's, a y, and a z. Oh boy. Okay. Now remember, LCM is the circled or the cross things count once, and everything else counts too. So we got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's 16 times 2 times 2 times 3. Times 1, 2, 3, 4x, 4, 5, 6 x's, x to the 6th, 1, 2, 3 y's, and a z. So 16 times 12, I guess we gotta do. 192. 192, x to the 6th, y to the 3rd, z. Okay, there we go. Moving on to the back. All right, 3 numbers. Okay, 28, 42, and 70. 28, 2, that's 14, that's 2 times 7. Knock this down to 21, that's 3 times 7. Divide by 2, you're down to 35, that's 5 times 7. Okay, so for the GCF, we do get to circle. I think we've done these 3 before. So the GCF is 14, right? 2 times 7. The LCM, I'm going to do out here first. Remember, we have to use the happy method. So 28, 8 needs a 2, 2, 7. That one's happy. 42 needs a 2, got it. A 3, need it. A 7, got it. 70 needs a 2, got it. A 5, there you go. And a 7, got it. Okay, so the LCM is 2 times 2 times 7 times 3 times 5. 420. Okay. Now for the fractions. Simplify the following. Make sure answers are in lowest terms. Use positive exponents in answers. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go with common denominator of 6. Now I can tell this is 4 and some stuff minus 8 and some stuff. This is going to be a negative answer. I'm going to make these improper. So this is going to be 25 over 6. That's 48. 52 over 6. 25 minus 52 is going to be negative 27. How many times does 6 fit into 27? 4 times with 3 left over. So that's negative 4 and a half. Ooh, 17. Kind of a blast from the past here. First we have to do keep, change, flip. So 7x cubed is up top. 5x to the 5th y is on the bottom. Can we cross anything out? I bet we can. So the 5 and the 20, the 7 and the 21, divide those both by 7. Now, oh, the 3 and the 3. Oh, that's x to the third. Hello. Oh dear. Okay. So there's three, let's see. This is tough. There's 3, 4, 5 x's on top. Oh, we could cross it off with these 5. So these 5 x's cross off with these 5 x's. I think that's where we're going to finish. So we got just 4 up top, and we've got 3xy on the bottom. So 4 over 3xy. Okay. 18. Let's make these improper. That's 1 times 5 is 5, plus 4 is 9. And then this is going to be negative 3 halves. Then I'm going to do keep, change, flip. I can't do them at the same time. Can I reduce anything? Yes, divide these both by 3. So I'm getting negative 6 over 5, which is negative 1 and 1/5. All right, 19, we need a common denominator. I'm going to go with 10n. So n times what gives me 10n? Times 10. 10 times what gives me n? N. So our answer is 30 minus 3n all over 10n. There we go. 20, common denominator of 14. So that would be a 4 there. So we can just do 3x plus 4 all over 14. Ooh, this one looks like fun. Can we cross anything out? Don't forget the negative. I'm going to put down here that there's going to be a negative answer. All right, the 7 and the 35, divide those both by 7. The 10 and the 32, we can divide those both by 2. We're left with 5 and 16. Now what can we do with the letters? Well, there's 7 B's right here. There's 5, 6, 7 B's up top. I'm going to cross those all out. Anything with the A's? There's 2 A's there, and there's 2 A's. I could cross those out. That's all I can do. So I'm left with 16a to the third up top. And 5 times 5 is 25b. And that is it. All right, good, guys. Almost there. Ah, yes. So we're going to let n equal the repeating part. I'm going to multiply by 100 so I can get the decimal over 2 spots. Then I'm going to subtract these two things. So 100n minus 1n is 99n. 18 point the repeating stuff minus the repeating stuff is 18. How do I get n by itself? I'm going to divide by the 99. Can I reduce 18 99ths? Yes. Divide them by 9. So 2 11ths. There you go. Ooh, 0.037. Okay, so n is the 0.037. So I'm going to have to multiply by 10, 100, 1,000. 1,000n is, yeah, it would, I guess you don't have to write the 0. 37.037 repeating. Let's see if this works. So 999n is equal to 37. Divide by the 999. Can I reduce that? I don't think so. Let's see if it actually works. I'm going to check it. 37 divided by 999. It works. Oh, and we can reduce it? 999 divided by 37. Wow. I did not see that one coming. So you can divide these both by 37. Oof, I did not see that. All right. And put the following from least to greatest. All right, so negative 0.125. All right, which one is the least? Remember, these are negative. So it's actually this guy, negative 0.75. Then it'll be the negative 0.375. Then negative a fourth. And negative an eighth. Okay. Over here, 4/5 is 0.8, so that's 3.8. 5/7. 5/7. Let's see. Might have to do that out. That would be 7. Let's see what that gets us. So about 3.71. 13/23. 23 into 130. Let's try 5. 15, 11. It's 130 minus 115. Oh, we can actually stop. 0.5 is less, right? So we could stop there. So 3 and 13/23 is first. Then the 3 and 5/7, and then the 3 and 4/5. Notice I did not guess. I didn't keep going. I just did enough to be sure that I was correct. All right? Good job, guys.